Hi friends, I've got a fun little activity for you today. I've got some books here. So I have a red book. I'm going to put it up here. And I have a purple book. I have a yellow book. Can you see what color that is? An orange book. What color is that one? Green. That's right. So I've got how many books? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books. So let's see. Which book do you want to read today? Let's see what's inside. We're going to say a little rhyme here. Story time, take a look. What will we find in the red book? Let's see, what do you think would be in this book? Do you know what that says? It says spooky. What would a spooky book have in it? Let's see. Boo! This one's got a ghost in it. All right, let's pick another one. All right, story time, take a look. What will we find in the purple book? What do you think would be in this one? Probably can't read that. It says fantasy. What would be in a fantasy book? Well, looks like we've got like a magic wand here. So stories about fairies, things like that. So that's our fantasy book. Story time, take a look. What will we find in the green book? Okay, here's our green book. It says sci-fi. That's short for science fiction. What would be in a book about science fiction? Time travel, electronics, spaceships and rockets? Yeah, that's what this book is about. Okay. Let's move on to our next one. Story time, take a look. What will we find in the yellow book? This book says silly. What would we find in a silly book? Something silly, right? How about this? A silly face. All right, our last one. Story time, take a look. What will we find in the orange book? Okay, so we've got our orange book. It says adventure. What would be in an adventure book? Let's open it up and see. Ta-da! Ooh, a sword. Swashbuckling perhaps. Adventure. All right. If you would like to do this at home, you could just take a piece of cardstock and you can just write a genre and you can make a picture. We used felt on these, so it's something that you could try at home for your kids. All right, thank you for joining me today.